I have a Ford Transit 2020 without a front camera, and I wanted to put one of these Ford Raptor style grills on here, but they're $550 from Europe. That's where they make them originally, is in Europe. But you can find third-party ones from China. I found this one from yCarPart online, and when I first put it in, it really didn't fit in very well, and I'll show you that here, and I'll show you how to take this one off first. You can use a screwdriver to help you get the clips out, but there's one clip in the middle where that Ford logo is. You kind of have to pull hard there. You do not need to take out any of these top pop brackets to get in there. All you have to do is stick a screwdriver in and pull it out, or you can just pull it really hard and it'll come out. And then this middle piece does need to pop in there. This grill comes with the F and the D, but the O and the R you need to screw in, and you can see a small seam here, but it does look OEM from the front. You can see here on the back, here's that clip that's supposed to clip in the middle, and then the O and the R screw in there from the back, but this didn't fit in there that well. I'll show you that. So this is the first grill yCarPart sent me, and when I click everything in, first of all, that first clip in the middle never clicks, but the top left always pops out by itself. I checked the hole is not damaged. Okay. For the clip. It's in, but watch this. Oh, it just popped out. But watch this. Oh, it just popped out. But watch this. Oh, it just popped out. This top left corner never fit. It just continually pops out, and I think pops out, and I think it's because this part from China, I believe, is produced. It's too horizontally straight. I think it needs to have more of a curve, a bowed curve up here on the top. But I was emailing them and complaining, and they sent me another one. Watch how easy this is to take out. That middle clip never fit either. So they sent me another grill, and they didn't send me another O or R, so I had to switch out the O and the R from grill to grill and put this back bracket on that has the clip that clips into the middle where the Ford logo goes. So here I am replacing the O and the R, screwing those back in. There's 8 screws for the letters and then 4 screws for this back bracket, which has the clip that pops into the middle. And again, I could never get the clip in the middle to pop in correctly. It just seems like they didn't fit this part correctly to the Ford Transit. Maybe there's a difference between the Ford Transit US and the Ford Transit EU, and maybe they tested this on the Ford Transit EU. I don't know, but it didn't work for me. I'm in the United States. This is a Ford Transit 2020 non-camera version, and the fitment's bad. This corner is just, this whole thing is just not fitting. And that middle clip has never clicked in. The first one didn't fit, the second one didn't fit. This doesn't fit. yCarPart doesn't fit. They refused a refund, which I found annoying, which is why I'm making this video. So if you're looking for the Ford Transit Raptor Grille, don't buy it from yCarPart. Just buy the OEM one from Europe on eBay. My old grill fits perfectly still, so I know I didn't damage the clip holes, but overall I like the old Ford logo better. I like the non-Raptor grill. How about you? Classic Ford logo for the win.